guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I do a new video every Monday. I do trash to treasure, DIY, and home decor. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a new video. So today's video is inspired by my friend Emily. She had sent some things over on Messenger this week, and I thought I'd create this fun tablescape for her inspired by the things that she had sent me. So we're going to start with a table runner, and then we're going to go and add a centerpiece to that, and then we're going to make a couple things to go in a 3-tiered tray. So let's get started. So first we're going to start with the table runner, and we're going to use 5 placemats from the Dollar Tree and 2 of the star hangers they have out for the 4th of July. And we're just going to glue the ends of the placemats together until we have all 5 placemats making one continuous line. There is going to be a seam when you glue them together. I wasn't that concerned about it since it is going to have several things placed on top of it. But if you don't like the seam, you could always get material and just cut a length of the material. After we've glued all the placemats together, we're going to take the stars apart and glue them onto the placemats. So this took us 5 minutes to make, and it's super cute, and it's going to make a great base to our tablescape. So next we're going to make a centerpiece for the table, and we're going to use these vases and wands from the Dollar Tree. I also picked up some flags, a USA sign, and some of the white rocks. First we're going to start with the USA sign, and we're going to take apart the sign off of the burlap piece. I'm going to take this burlap ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to wrap it around the vase to measure how much we need, and then we're going to cut 3 pieces of the ribbon. Next I'm going to hot glue the ribbon to the vase, and then I'm going to glue the USA to the burlap that's on the vase. As you can see, I already have the white rocks in the vase, but it turned out that when I tried to put the wands in there with the rocks already in there, it was really hard to get them in. So I took the rocks out, then replaced the wands, and then put the rocks back in. There's no wrong or right way to put in the wands, it's just your personal preference. I think these turned out so cute, and they look adorable on the table with the table runner. So for our third project, we're going to use our antique wax again and this tray that I got at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to just paint on the antique wax on the entire tray and then wipe it off to give it an antique look. Once we let it dry, we have this really nice Americana stained look on our tray. So now we're going to take these paper straws from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to cut them to fit into the tray to make a flag. I just measured them in the tray till I got the desired length I wanted. And as I was setting up the red and white striped straws, I did not put them in the same direction. I wanted to give it a moving feel. The last step is to take some sandpaper and go over the whole tray to give it that Americana feel. Really love this tray, and for only $2 you get a really cute Americana decoration. So our last project today is some wood blocks that we're going to make into a reversible 3-tier decoration. The first step we're going to take is we're going to use our antique wax, and we're going to brush it on all 3 of the blocks and then wipe it off just like we did the tray. Next, we're going to take some painter's tape and we're going to make lines on 2 of the blocks for the stripes in our flag. I used a piece of tape to measure between pieces of tape, so that way I had an even amount between the lines. Next, we're going to take these stars that I got at the Dollar General and we're going to place them on our wood block to make the star part of our flag. I used these stars in a different video for a pennant banner, and I'll link that in the description box if you missed it. Next, I'm just using some red and blue acrylic paint that I got at Walmart, and I'm going to paint the star part blue and the stripe part red. Next, I'm going to remove the tape and the stars. We're going to make these blocks reversible, so next we're going to turn them over and we're going to use the stickers that they have at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to put USA on the back of those blocks. Next, we're going to paint 1 block blue, 1 block red, and 1 block white. It doesn't matter what kind of paint. I'm using acrylic paint here. You could use chalk paint if you wanted to. It's really up to you. Once I peeled the letters off, I didn't feel like you could see them very well, so I took the ink chalk paint by Waverly and I just went over them again so they stood out more. The last step to these blocks is to use our sandpaper again and go over them so they have a nice distressed look. So here's our blocks all finished. I think they have such a cute Americana look to them. The flag is adorable and definitely my favorite project of the day. Here's our final tablescape all put together with the tiered tray. I just really think it's so adorable. I did go back and add in some little blocks that I'd gotten at Hobby Lobby and into the tray, and it just looks so cute. So let me know in the comments below which one of these was your favorite and if you're going to try to recreate any of them. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I think it looks super cute and fun on my dining room table, and I just love walking by. It reminds me of Emily, so that's an added bonus. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do so, and don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a new video. If you missed my last video, I'll post it here, and remember, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. Till next time.